Hello everyone, welcome back to Ironmongery Experts. We've got a brand new video for you, an exciting one, and I think you'll agree with me that it's exciting. The reason why it is there's a brand new product on the market, and that's courtesy of Zoo Hardware, bringing out this brand new hinge. It's called the flush hinge. Now the reason why it's called the flush hinge is because what you might notice, if you come in closer, what you might notice is that you've got the main bigger part of the leaf, then also you've got the smaller leaf that fits flush with inside of it. Now the reason why this could potentially be quite life-changing for people fitting these hinges is because firstly, being grade 11, you can fit them on an 80 kilo door. Secondly, there's no reason to have intumescent pads anymore. Now these are fire rated, so you can use them on all your fire regulated doors. The reason why you won't need to use intumescent pads is because like a normal conventional hinge, where you might need to cut away material from the edge of the door or from the framing, face fix them to the frame and the door, there's no need for intumescent pads for the pure fact you're taking no material away. They're also so much easier and quicker to fit compared to your conventional hinge. I'm going to show you now, thanks to Zoo Hardware, who have sent this video through.
I'm Scott from SA Joinery, been 14 years in the building trade fitting doors. I found the new Zoo flush hinge a lot easier because it was less messy, easier to fit, more cost effective for the customer also.
So as you agree, that video, I mean, how much easier and quicker it is to fit these hinges is incredible. Thank you to Zoo Hardware for sending that video. Incredible hinges. Now, just to finish off, not only that, they come in all different variety of finishes. You've got the PVD satin brass, which I'm holding. You've got the PVD bronze, the satin stainless steel, polished stainless steel, the matte black, and the powder coated white. So a variety of finishes as well. Grade 11, 80 kilo doors, fire regulated without all the intumescent pads, all the different finishes. I think you'll agree it's a great hinge. Ladies and gentlemen, if you've got any questions, please make sure you write them down below. Make sure you like, subscribe. If you've got any other questions, give us a call. We're always here to help. Thank you so much for watching.